So let's start. So we are going to start the new chapter, that is gravitation. Okay. So in that first topic, that is Kepler's laws. What is the first topic? That is Kepler's laws. We are going to study Kepler's laws. So first law, that is, or shall I give this as a first name, and here I will just keep hash. Okay, right. So in that first law, law of orbits. What is that? Law of orbits. Yes, you have to write in new notebook. Now, law of orbits, what this law says here, all planets revolve around sun in an elliptical orbit with the sun at one of the foci of the ellipse. At one of the foci of the ellipse. Do you know ellipse? Yes. Do you know ellipse or not? Now listen here. This is a ellipse. Okay. And this is one axis. This is one axis. This I can call it as a center of ellipse. And this is what? Vertices of ellipse. And now you are having two foci points, or two focus, we can say. This is F1 and this is F2. This is F1 and this is F2. So if suppose sun we have considered at one of the foci somewhere here, this is suppose sun. What is this? Sun. And suppose this is a planet which is revolving this blue one. This is just I am indicating the positions of this planet. Okay. So this planet revolves in the elliptical orbit, considering sun at its one of foci. Understand this law? Yes? Any doubt here?
Yes, sir.
Yes? So what is our first law? That is, all planets revolve around the sun in an elliptical orbit with sun at one of the foci of the ellipse. Okay. Understood? Any other doubt?
Yes, sir.
Any other doubt?
Sir, should I note down in this book, sir?
Okay, yes. Next one. Shall I go to the next page?
Sir, 1 minute copying, sir.
Do it fast.
Sir, we should draw a diagram also.
Yes. Yes, finished.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now let's learn something about this ellipse. Because do you know ellipse? Have you studied before ellipse?
No, sir.
Right. So little bit I'm telling what is necessary for us. So see here, this is an ellipse, and what it is having? It is having two axes. Okay. In one diagram only I am giving you everything. Listen carefully. So this is A, suppose this is a B. Just some points I am giving. A, this one is B, this one is C, and this one is D, and this point is suppose O. Right? We are just learning some things, basic things about the ellipse. Now here, as I said you, this is a foci, that is focus F1, and this is F2. Sir, what is this foci means? What is this foci means, sir? I am not understanding the foci. Okay, I am telling you. Assume that here this is a roof. Listen now what I am doing. Carefully you listen, you will understand. Okay. So you are roaming, no? Taj Mahal or something. Any dome shape like this. Even in theaters also, you are having like this elliptical shape, half ellipse shape we can say, or curved shape roofs we are having, है ना? Yes, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now assume karo. Now you assume that you are standing somewhere here. Okay, this is person A. Here one more person is there. This is person B. And somewhere here one more person is there. His name is person C. Okay. Now when he is speaking, person C is speaking, who should listen his voice? Tell me.
Person A and person B.
B.
A and B.
Who
and
should
B.
listen? B or A?
Both.
Both, sir.
Both.
Because B is near now. But what happens? Due to reflection of sound, this sound waves will go like this, and after reflection they will reach here. Understand? So like this and like this. Similarly, from here also, if you are talking, this person can hear like this. Similarly, if light source is there, this is the light source, suppose, instead of this person, whatever the light is there, it will reach here. And if this is here, this will reach here. And that's why these points are called focus. These points are called focus. Why these points are only called focus? Because the distance, whatever the set we are taking, suppose I am completing this structure. I am completing this structure, set of all points. So A to something, suppose Z is there, AZ plus ZC, or whatever point, P, Q, R. This all addition should come same, then that set of points in a plane is called ellipse. And where the light rays are meeting like this, that points are called focus. Understand? Yes? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This is not necessary
Yes,
for
sir.
us. This is just basic. If you can keep it in mind, keep it, otherwise leave it. Okay? Right. So focus you understood. Now this AB, whatever this AB is there, no, AB is called major axis. This ellipse is there now. How many axes we are having here? 2 axes are there, sir. One is Pedda, one is Chinna. Hai na? So Pedda axis AB. Pedda means what? Major. Hai na? Major axis. Yes. Now half of that major axis is denoted by 2A. Half of that means either OA or AO or OB. Half of that is called semi-major axis. What we are calling it as a semi-major axis, and it is denoted by A. Next one, CD is there. CD chinnana peddana, small one. So that's why this axis is called which axis? Minor axis. And it is denoted by 2B. Now OC is equal to OD is called, bolo, what?
Semi-minor axis.
Yes, semi-minor axis. Semi-minor axis, and it is denoted by small b. Okay, understood. Right? Understood no? Now,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
see in the diagram I am denoting this complete is what? 2A. This complete is what? 2A. Green वाला जो है वो है 2A. And this, either this part or this part is what? Only A. है ना? This is A. Clear? Next to this one, this distance is what? 2B. है ना? This distance is 2B. And this distance, or even this distance, is what? Just B. Understand? Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. Now, what is eccentricity? That is also important for us. So one more diagram I am drawing for this eccentricity of ellipse. Eccentricity of ellipse. For that, again, I am drawing the diagram. So see here. Now this is a focus, right? This is F1. This is F2. And now this is O. Then and this is A point and this is B point. Enough for us this much so that we can define eccentricity. Eccentricity is denoted by E, and this is equal to distance of focus to the center of ellipse divided by distance of one vertices from the center, that is OA. Okay, ratio of distance of focus from the center to the distance of one vertices from the center of ellipse. Understand? Is that clear? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
If suppose I am denoting this distance with C, if I am denoting this distance with C, and already we know this distance is what? A. Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes.
So can
Yes,
I
sir.
write like this? E is equal to bolo.
C by
C by A.
C by A. C by A. E is equal to what? C by A. Understand eccentricity? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
Clear? Understood?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Oi, don't shout, Ra. I got scared only. Huh?
Don't shout, Ra, I got scared only.
Okay, so let's go to the next page. Understood? Yes?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
right. Now, what is the perigee and apogee? What is the perigee and apogee? So, here next topic, that is perigee, or another name is perihelion. Perigee or perihelion. Just take this fast. You can take screenshots. Later you can write. Yes,
Sir,
finished. Okay.
sir, before that,
Yes.
sir, before that explanation of ellipse, what you told, sir,
Where?
is it Kepler's law, sir? Thank you, sir.
Okay. Got it?
Done, sir.
Right.
Yes, sir.
Now perigee or perihelion. Have you seen Mission Mangal movie?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
In
Yes,
that,
sir.
see that when that rocket is coming at Perigi, they are starting engine. Have you seen that? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And then it will start moving in an elliptical orbit and all these things. Again they will switch off the engine. Yes. Again at Perigi they will start. Yes.
Slingshot
sir.
technique,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
हाँ तो रुको अब वही that only will come here. Wait, perigi or perihelion is what? First of all, perigi and perihelion we are denoting with rp, and this is what? Closest distance switch off the video. Closest distance of planet from sun. Okay, and another one, apogee or aphelion is denoted by RA, and this is farthest distance of planet from sun.
Sir.
Yes,
Sir, can you please draw and show how a perigee and apogee will be?
yes, I'm showing you. Just wait 2 minutes. Now see here, this is a elliptical orbit. Definitely I will show. Wait. And this is what? Semi-major axis. This is what? Semi-minor axis. And assume that here is the sun. Where is the sun? Here is the sun. Okay, like this. Okay, this is a sun, and I'm denoting this point as a yes. Okay, and now here this is a planet position. Can you see this planet? I'm just showing two positions, right?
Yes, sir.
Actually, this is moving like this, hai na? So many positions are there, right? Shall I show you with arrows? Yes, understanding. This is going to move like this, right? Yes, no, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
And this point is as usual O. And shall I denote this as a C with the distance C? If you, yes, can I denote this as a C? Distance of
Yes,
sun
sir.
from the
Yes,
center.
sir.
Yes.
sir.
And
Yes, sir.
shall I denote this distance as a RP now? This one. Shall I denote
Yes,
this as
sir.
a RP with your permission? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what you will call this distance as a what?
Perigee.
Perigee. Yes. And from this only, what you will call this
RA.
distance as a
Apogee.
apogee.
RA.
So what I should
RA.
denote?
Apogee.
Yes.
RA.
R
RA.
A. है ना? R A. Okay. Right.
Sir, can you repeat it once again?
Yes. So see, the distance of sun means shortest distance. This point is A, this point is B. Shortest distance from the sun of the planet is called perigee. That is RP. You can see here. Yes. Yes, no. And
Yes,
sir.
sir.
furthest distance means what? Perigee. That's apogee, है ना? So furthest distance is what? Apogee. That's why RA. Right. Now see, I want to find RP. So RP is equal to what? See here, RP is equal to
Sir, what is R?
what I can write? OA minus
SO.
OA minus OS or SO, है ना? OA is what रे? A. OA is what? A. Minus OS is what? OS C. And backside you see, can I write from this C is equal to AE? C is equal to AE, है ना? Yes? Yes, no?
Yes, sir.
So therefore here
Yes,
A minus AE, and therefore if I will take A common, 1 minus E, this is what my RP, distance of perigee. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now let's go to the apogee. Now this RA is equal to, shall I write like this? RA is equal to OB plus O, yes. सही है ना? Can I write like this?
Yes,
Yes.
sir. Yes,
And
sir.
now RA is equal to OB is nothing but what? This is also semi major axis, है ना? So shall I write here A plus OS is again what? C, है ना? So therefore RA is equal to A plus bolo A into
AE. AE.
and that's why RA is equal to A common 1 plus E, है ना? Understand?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now suppose I want to launch a satellite around the earth, then at the place of this sun there should be earth, and whatever this planet is there, at this place your satellite or whatever you are going to launch, that satellite will orbit, है ना, in an elliptical path. Understood? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Any doubt?
No, sir.
No doubt, sir.
So see what we have learned today. We have learned Kepler's first law. What is that? Every planet revolves around the sun in an elliptical orbit, considering sun at one of its foci. Okay. Then we have learned eccentricity is what? Yes, semi-major axis, semi-minor axis, major axis, minor axis. Then we have learned perigee and apogee. Perigee means the shortest distance of the planet from the sun, and apogee is what? Farthest distance of the planet from the sun. Understand?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Yes.
sir.
Any doubt?
Yes, sir.
No, sir.
So ready for
Yes,
rapid fire? Shall I ask one question?
Yes, sir.
I will choose one student. Let's see who will answer. Means definitely he has to answer. Okay. Akshita. Akshita.
Yes,
What is the perigee formula? Means last formula. RP is equal to. RP is equal to.
A into 1 minus E.
A into 1 minus E. Okay. Next, Harshavardhan. What is the
Yes, sir.
apogee formula? Apogee.
A into 1 plus E.
Okay, next one. Charanjit, what is the eccentricity? Eccentricity. Yes. It is the ratio of, bolo, distance of focus from the center of ellipse to the distance of one of the vertices from the center of ellipse. Okay, F1 by OA. And if this distance of this focus from center we have denoted with C, then E is equal to C by A, and therefore C is equal to AE. Is that clear? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Any doubt? So note down this. Note down this carefully. Everything. Yes. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So
Okay, sir.
let's stop here for today. Bye.
Thank you,
Bye,
sir.
sir.
Thank you,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.